Hi, this is Firestarter and welcome to my toy review of the Kingdom Hearts Play Arts Volume 2 Number 5 Cloud. And we have here the box, and some of these things are very familiar with if you have your own Sora, like for example the name here, Kingdom Hearts Play Arts Volume 2 action figure, and we have warning signs on top. We have in 3 languages and the name again, and then we have a window panel here with Cloud looking all great, and then we have the other side that doesn't have his photo, but we also have warning signs for in different languages, and at the back the figure itself, and there's this photo of Sora and number 6 Sepiroth. So that's all about the box, and let's open this and let's take a look on Cloud. Of course, one of those things that we want to discuss are the accessories that came with Cloud. For example, this nifty looking stand that has an adjustable neck and easily being plugged in on a nice flat black base. This stand is one great accessory to begin with if you want Cloud doing some flying action poses or just one cool relaxed standing pose. Next is this Buster Sword with a nice cool detailed bandage effect and a tied end to complete the look. Cloud also has a swappable holding hand in order to grip the Buster Sword, but it takes a little bit of convincing on this holding hand in order to slide the whole sword in until it becomes really tight fit on the hand. Cloud's weak hand is unable to carry the sword, and it tends to flap around, and it makes Cloud's joints loose faster because of the weight. And some of the articulation that you want to know about Cloud is that he has a swiveling head. You can turn it around 360, but you cannot tilt the head up and down because of the huge scarf accent here. And the scarf accent is somewhat like a translucent plastic, and then it slowly becomes solid, and then finishing the flow here at the end with the airbrushed or burned area here on the cape. And the cape also does have a hinge, so you can move this up and down. The shoulder pads do give way so that you can move this extension, and then we have a shoulder pad here that you can move, so it allows the arms to move further like so. And we have just one single elbow joint, a swiveling hand, and then we have an upper torso articulation. I see no waist, but if it does, let me know on the comments below. And we have also a moving accent here for the armor, so that you can also have a nice articulation on the legs here. We have a swivel up here on the thighs. We have a single jointed knee, and then we have a swiveling foot, and also it tilts from left to right and also back and forth. It has, I tried it, but something you don't want to mess around with Play Arts figures. He also has a nice talon glove here, which is kind of nice, and some metal accents here. These are plastic, but it looks die cast to me. And then we have an X here on the belt, and then at the back we have a nice looking bat looking wing. So it does have a ball jointed hinge, so you can move that from any direction that you want. You can hide him there, and then you can even hide the wing underneath the cape if you want to, like so. It looks weird, but at least you can fold that underneath the cape. And then we have a nice airbrushed area here, so it looks darker or dirtier than what he really looks like. And the only thing I'm really not happy about is this scarf accent here. When on an angle you can see the face, but looking at it, it hides behind the scarf. So overall, in its design, it really looks like what you see on the game. In terms of playing with it, you will see a lot of hindrances, especially on the neck area or the head area, and then Some of the joints will become loose in the long run, not unlike some of the play arts or play art sky figures that you have today. So he is really a good display piece, but in terms of playability, he's not that actually fun. I'm not saying he's bad, it's just that it's not at par with other play arts figures that you have right now. So that's my review of the Play Arts Cloud from Kingdom Hearts. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my blogspot for the full written review. This is Farstarter. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next review.